Welcome to DSEU eLibrary video tutorial. In this video, we are going to discuss how DSEU eLibrary work. The access URL of DSEU eLibrary is dseu.referee.com. Please make sure do not include www in the URL. dseu.referee.com is good enough. DSEU is currently giving access to only faculty of the all affiliated colleges. So if you are a faculty member, please you need to log in onto the platform. You're already registered on the platform and your credential has already been shared with you on your email address. In case you do not receive your email address, please send us an email with following details. Now let's just look at the platform. So the as mentioned before, the platform sits at dseu.referee.com. Click on the login button and use the credential which you have received on your email address. The username is your email address, which is your DSU official email ID, and the password is provided to you via referee team. So once you have those credentials, click on the sign in button and you will be having the complete access of this platform. To start with, click on browse category and here you can see all the subjects mentioned related to DSU, and if you click on any of these like library and information science, you will see that what all content is available on this e-library related to this particular subject area. So here you can if you click on media filter, you will see that thesis, videos, ebooks and journals are available related to library science. And further on, you will be click on by publisher and here you can browse by different publishers. Here I wanted to mention that currently DSU has added some of the most prominent open access green and gold standard open access data content. uh, uh, Frequently DSU is also going to add some most important premium publishers as well over the period of time and according to the requirement of all the users. So as you can see, this is an JSTOR ebook, and whatever content is added on this platform is full text accessible. So if you click on the download or read button, you will be able to access the entire content like this. Next tab is browse media. So if you wanted to browse the content as per like ebooks, journals or any other media filter or document type, you can just click on any of them. As in my case, I'm just clicking on journals, so I will be able to fetch all the journals available on this platform. So whatever is you need, just search or browse and click on anyone and you have the full access of this particular journal as well. Next to this list is A to Z listing. So you can either browse the content by any alphabet, or if you click on this all content button, you will be able to see how much the width of this platform is and how much content is available. So as you can see, there is 9 lakh content is available, in which you can see thesis, videos, ebook, journals and reports. uh, this this content, this count is keep increasing in the future as well. So you can filter down further for all these uh, the collection part is also. So there is a section on the library where the library itself, the DSCU team itself can upload the content, and this content is particularly created by like DSU team and custom curated topics by refereed as well. We are also providing the access of print collection. So DSU is already have their web using Koha, and we have integrated that web with the library. So if user are on one platform, they don't need to go to different platforms after that. Currently, we have just added the Dwarka data here, DSU Dwarka campus data here. But yeah, meanwhile, one by one, we'll keep adding the content of all the affiliated colleges and the different campuses. The next section is a collection, as I was told you. So this is like a DSU repository that we have added here, and any content that you feel like should be added on this platform related to DSU, please do write back to the team, the concerned team at DSU, and they will definitely get it, or else they can help. They can take help from us, the team of referee, to do the same. Next section is library team can also upload the news clippings related to DSU. So if you have any news published related to DSU and you want it to be added here, it could be added. The next is news by publication. We have integration with 50 plus news publications, and it is mentioned here. You can easily be able to see the top headlines of these publications, and obviously you can click this bell icon to get the latest update every morning on your email address. The next to this is explore more. So we have added some expert talks like TED talks, big think, and content like that, and users can browse this content and watch these videos. You can see the publishers with here. Next, you can also browse by and see leisure reading. So we have added some audiobooks, ebooks, and classics, poetries, and 16,000 content is available here in English, Hindi, Urdu, and Punjabi, four languages. You can see the categories. You can filter them, the any of the category you wanted to access to, and you can further filter it down by publisher, by author. You can see some of the most prominent author names here in this list. So this is how you can browse the entire collection in using all these tabs mentioned in the header. These are some of the important links we have added, like NDL, Vidwan, Shodh Ganga, NPTEL, EG Pathshala, and so on. So this is really helpful for all the students and faculty of DSU to browse to start with. The next very important feature is after browsing. I'll tell you search. So we have this universal search. You can just click on any of the category where you wanted to search in. Let's say in my case, I wanted to search an ebook related to, let's say, library. Okay, so I'll just write down the keyword and I search it, and any book which is available on the platform related to library is in front of me, and all I need to do is just click on the read button of the book which I wanted to read, and the full text will open. So this is very simple. Not just ebook, but any media type. Like just click on this all publication button again, and even it is article or it is journal or anything, just write down your query and find the content. Even if you don't select the document type, the default search will go to all the publication except articles. So as you can see, article tab is a totally a different mechanism, and we are using federated search for this service. So I've searched this library science, and as I told you earlier that DSU is currently only offering to open access collection. So we have integrated the getting the research article from DOAG, a documentary of open access journals, and this can be as big as it can be. So in case tomorrow DSU add hundreds of publisher, the search can perform like this only, and it can fetch results from multiple publishers at the same time. Here also you can do the filtration of the content and find the relevant one for yourself. One more tab is here called relevance. So if you click on here, you can sort the content as per your requirement. This particular button is for the reset or modify your current search. So if whatever I've searched here, if I wanted to make any changes to this, I can do that. This is the advanced search form. You can limit your search. You can search by author, publication, publisher, year. So you can do all the things here in this platform. Now let's just discuss some of the personalized features for a user. If I'm reading this particular book, so what I can do is I can add this book in my reading list. So I don't need to search for this book every time when I need it. All I'm doing is just creating a folder for my purpose, and I have saved this book. Let me save some more document into this. So this particular book as well in the same folder, and maybe some more different media type, like let's say thesis. So I'm finding a thesis and I'm adding the same thesis in the folder I've created earlier, demo for DSEU, and this is added. So if it's close to your name, you will find this bookmark button, and here you will see this all the reading list documents which you have added. Here also you have some features like select these document and export the citation. This is very important for all the researchers and the teachers. So you can currently you can export the citation in APA, MLA in Chicago, 3 formats, and this exported, you copy to clipboard and paste it anywhere you want to. You can email these documents to your peers and delete these documents whenever you required. And this is the homepage of the platform. So you can see your past reading, whatever you are reading. You can see the staff picks created by your administrator. You can see the headlines in these 5 categories. So business, technology, health, science, and sport. You can see the everyday top headlines of these 5 categories. You can see the trending content, whatever is on the content which is most read on the platform. You can see the featured collection. You can also see the top 3 users on this wall, and at last you can also see the mobile app link. So currently DSU Android app is live, and all the Android users can download it. We are currently working on iOS app as well, and that will also goes live once we add some premium content on this platform. So that link to that also will be available here only. And at the last, we have provided our email address and the mobile number. Uh, Preference is always to email. So whatever is your doubt, whatever is your queries, your feedback, suggestions, anything, you can reach out to us on this email address. And if there is any emergency, you can also call us on the provided number. So that's all about DSEU eLibrary. One very last thing is that if you click on the 3 dots, you will find this request an item button. If you need any particular document, a journal article, or a book, or any particular document which you are not able to find on this platform, you can always request for that document. Referee is running in more than 450 libraries across the country, and we will be able to arrange that document with the help of librarians and serve you that particular document. That's all about this platform. We request you to check it out and reach out to us if you need any help. Thank you so much.